Guess who's back? Ba-ba-bow. The Ranger is back, and we have a slight leak. So, in the last video, we had this one here. This was a bit of a leak. As you can see, we've readdressed that and added a bunch of silicone, and that has actually stopped the leak over here at this point. So we're sealed, nice and sealed all the way through, which is great. But we were still having a little bit of dribbling down the bottom. I really need new gloves. And it's obviously not coming from here, so it's coming from the timing case. I thought I put enough silicone around the whole thing to seal it, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't have put it on. But obviously I missed a bit somewhere, so we're going to pull it off gently and see if we can spot the part where it was actually dribbling through, so we can not only rectify it, but prevent it from happening a second, and God forbid a third time. So let's get back to ripping it apart and see what happens.